Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the Royal Addons WordPress plugin for Elementor. We'll cover everything from installation to configuring and using template kits, plus a detailed review of the plugin. If you're looking to elevate your Elementor designs with ready-to-use templates and powerful widgets, this video is for you. Let's get started with installing the Royal Addons plugin. To begin, let's install the Royal Addons plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Royal Addons and look for the plugin by WP Royal. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, activate the plugin. With Royal Addons activated, you now have access to a range of new features and widgets that can dramatically enhance your Elementor page building experience. Let's explore these features, starting with the template kits. Template kits are pre-designed sets of pages and blocks that you can import directly into your Elementor pages, saving you hours of design work. Browse through the available template kits. You'll see kits for various niches such as business, portfolio, e-commerce, and more. Select a kit that fits your needs. Template kits are incredibly useful for quickly setting up a professional-looking website without starting from scratch. Let's move on to how you can install and use these kits on your site. To install a template kit, select the kit you wish to use. Click the thumbnail image of the template kit. You will then be taken to the import page for that kit. Click the import button in the bottom right corner of the page to begin the import process. Now that the template is imported, you can customize it using Elementor's drag-and-drop editor. Modify the text, images, and colors to match your brand, and you'll have a fully designed page in minutes. Royal Addons templates are fully editable within Elementor. This means you can tweak every detail, from fonts and colors to layout and functionality. If you want to adjust the layout, simply drag and drop elements within the template. You can also add new widgets from the Royal Addons library to enhance your design. One of the best things about Royal Addons is how well its widgets integrate with the templates. For example, you can easily add a pricing table and custom form that match the overall design of your template. Just drag and drop the widget into the desired location. These customizable options make Royal Addons a powerful tool for both beginners and advanced users. Whether you want to use the templates as is or make extensive customizations, the plugin offers the flexibility to do both. Now that we've seen how to install, use, and configure the Royal Addons plugin, let's dive into a review of its features and overall performance. Royal Addons comes packed with a variety of widgets, including advanced slider widgets, navigation menu widgets, form builder widgets, and much more. These widgets expand Elementor's capabilities, allowing you to create more dynamic and visually appealing pages.
In terms of usability, Royal Addons is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to find and use the tools you need. The template kits, in particular, are a huge time saver for anyone looking to build a site quickly. Performance-wise, Royal Addons doesn't disappoint. The plugin is lightweight and well-optimized, meaning it won't slow down your site. The templates and widgets load quickly, ensuring a smooth user experience. Overall, Royal Addons is a fantastic addition to Elementor, especially if you're looking to enhance your design capabilities with minimal effort. It's versatile, easy to use, and provides excellent value for both free and premium users. To wrap things up, Royal Addons is a must-have plugin for anyone using Elementor. Whether you're a beginner looking for easy-to-use templates or an advanced user wanting more creative control, this plugin has something for everyone. The installation is simple, the template kits are a massive time saver, and the overall performance is top-notch. If you haven't tried Royal Addons yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials and reviews. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about Royal Addons, feel free to drop them below. See you in the next video.